In the year 211 AD, the Roman Empire created the first financial cheat code in history, the denarius, the ultimate silver coin. But empires are expensive. To pay for endless wars and massive debts, the emperors did something sinister. They didn't tax the public. They secretly melted down the coins and mixed them with cheap copper. The silver content dropped from 95% to less than 1%. It was the first engineered inflation. As millions of worthless coins flooded the streets, the cost of wheat skyrocketed. The working class of Rome starved. Their life savings were wiped out. But the Roman elite, the senators, they knew the script. While the public held on to dying coins, the elite quietly transferred their wealth into hard assets, agricultural land and physical gold. When the currency finally broke, the empire burned, but the elite were richer than ever. Fast forward to today. The Roman denarius is gone, but the strategy remains. Devalue the currency, crash the middle class, and buy the assets for pennies. Subscribe to Ego and Empire. The Matrix is older than you think.